Okay, so change of plans. We thought we were installing the front bumper, but turns out we actually currently have the rear bumper, so we're gonna go ahead and do that one first. So it comes with the bumper and 4 self-tapping screws and washers. And we just line it up here. We don't have instructions because the wrong instructions came with it, but it pretty much just lines up there.
Pre-drilled holes back here in the frame.
So we're gonna just get this taken care of.
So here's the finished product install of the KEMIMOTO rear bumper. It's got a nice textured powder coat finish on it. It's got ventilation holes on each end of the piping here so it can get air to dry out. And there are also drain holes. There's one there and one here drilled so that if any water gets in here, it can drain out. But all in all, it's very sturdy. Should add some added protection to the back of the Polaris 570 here. And you can still open your storage compartment. Now the lid just rests on this bottom bar here rather than swinging all the way down like it used to. And so that's all good. All in all, it's pretty sturdy product.